Let's get you the updates on the Mumbai Police Crime Branch, which has now submitted a charge sheet before the Makoka court. This runs into several thousands of pages, and this charge sheet that mentions at least 6 people who have been arrested, while gangster Lawrence Bishnoi has been named as a wanted accused, along with his younger brother Anmol Bishnoi and Rohit Godara. The police believe that both Anmol Bishnoi and Rohit Godara are currently abroad. Let's quickly go across to Shivani, who is joining us live right now. Shivani, what does the charge sheet say?
Well, interesting details are there. In fact, charge sheet has also stated how the Bishnoi gang entirely wants to capture Mumbai region, specifically targeting the celebrities from Bollywood and also from the business fraternity. They have said that they need to get money from those people. In fact, the Bishnoi gang has also tried threatening a few more people. Those have received calls or some sort of letters or emails, but have refused to pay them a single penny. And henceforth, this major attack was planned on Salman Khan's residence, and clear intention was given that there was no direct attack on the actor, which they could have easily done as per the accused claims and the statement before the Makoka court. They have said that we just wanted to make a signature remark in front of those businessmen and celebrities. Those have refused to pay us the money that we want to extort from them. Rather, they want to enter Bollywood as well. Similarly, not only the Lawrence Bishnoi, but his younger brother Anmol Bishnoi and their associate Rohit Godara both have been claimed to be wanted in the case, and their need is there. Statement needs to be recorded, is what the Mumbai Police Crime Branch in the charge sheet has stated. That out of 46 eyewitnesses and 2 major accused turning witnesses before the Makoka court in front of and in favor of the Mumbai Crime Branch has made the case even more stronger. And the pistol, those were recovered from the Tapi River of Gujarat. Those are clearly matching with the pistols those were used for the firing at the actor's residence. It clearly matches with the empty shells those were found near Salman Khan's residence, and henceforth it clearly proves that it was the Bishnoi gang which was behind this firing case entirely. Similarly, we have given the information that earlier the Navi Mumbai police, which was also investigating the case, has also filed a similar charge sheet where they have also stated that the statement clearly support that the case, the firing that took place at the actor's premises was by the Bishnoi gang, and also there were further more threat call messages and some unknown people, those were trying to reach out to the actor's residents to meet the family or threat them. Those CCTVs are still under the scanner of the crime branch. They have stated that the security that was beefed up at the actor's premises will be closely looked by senior officials of Mumbai Police, and henceforth the charge sheet has
pointed out that the evidence that includes the statements of at least 46 witnesses, the statements and the witnesses under section 164 of the CRPC, they've also recorded before the magistrate. And of course, when it comes to the confessional statements under the Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act, a total of nearly 22 panchnamas and technical evidence that has also been made part of the charge sheet. But exactly who are these criminals? They are said to be this incident that was reported involving 2 motorcycle-borne assailants firing at least several rounds outside Salman Khan's Galaxy apartment in Bandra during the early hours on the 14th of April. And when it comes to Rohit Godara as well, he is said to be one of the most resourceful person in the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. Remember, Lawrence Bishnoi has been named as one of the most accused, most wanted as far as the charge sheet is concerned. He is also a key suspect when it comes to the murder of popular Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala, and Rohit Godara is also allegedly involved in the murder of Karni Sena, Sukhdev Singh, Gogamidi as well, as far as his involvement in other crime-related incidents that have also been reported, because he has been on the radar of the NIA since a month already as far as the investigation is concerned. Now he too has been made part of the charge sheet that has been filed by the Mumbai Police's crime branch. He has nearly 35 criminal cases that have been registered in his name. So that is exactly, when it comes to Shivani, the information coming across exactly who is this individual Rohit Godara and where currently is he.
Well, as per the Mumbai police sources, they say that him and Anmol Bishnoi both are in London and are hiding there and are operating the gang from London, in India, in Mumbai specifically. In fact, they have also stated that there are multiple people, those are under the training or under the connection with the Bishnoi gang, and those are the new people, those new champs as per the gang, those are being used to threat the celebrities and the businessman community in Mumbai. It is being said that people carrying history of any criminal records are not used, in such cases. In case if they are caught, then there is no previous record to have a catch over those people or have a nap over them, and that is why fresh people are being recruited, and everything like the monetary transactions are being done from London itself, and that is why it is stated that Rohit Udara and Anmol Bishnoi both are doing this joint operations residing in London, are making their team and the gang more active in India through threatening these people and recruiting more and more new people. Those are attached or are attractive to the Khalistani activities.
And Shivani, as we also need to talk about when it comes to the actor Salman Khan himself, because this is not for the first time when he's been receiving such kind of death threats as well. The issue that has also been taken up with the Maharashtra police and with the Maharashtra Chief Minister himself. Let's take a look as far as the security situation of Salman Khan, the actor, is concerned, because earlier, according to sources, 2 PSOs were assigned. That has now been increased to 3. Even when it comes to 11 policemen who were stationed, and now that has now increased to 14 policemen that are now involved in the security of Salman Khan. 2 commandos that were given to him, but owing to the security threat, now there are no changes as far as in the commandos are concerned. Even when it comes to no change, that is also being looked at the escort vehicles that Salman Khan gets as part of his own security. So that has been, as far as according to sources, Salman Khan's security, that was also increased in the line and in the lieu of looking at such kind of death threats. And of course, this incident that has been reported, Shivani, was multiple rounds that were fired right outside his residence in the month of April. Shivani?
The security remains the same. In fact, there are this SIT that was formed will also be looking up to all the CCTVs and the security personnel. Those are placed at Salman Khan's residence. A specific team of policemen from Mumbai Police, Maharashtra Police have been assigned for the actor's security. And henceforth, apart from this particular number of constables or the SPG people, in fact, it is clearly stated that all of these people from the Maharashtra Police team have worked for the extreme VVIP security arrangements, and henceforth they are assigned with Salman Khan. Interestingly, if the actor has to travel anywhere out of Mumbai, within Mumbai, he has to inform the security first, get the security check first, get the route check first. Later only he can move out of his residence. And henceforth, let's remember the actor has refused to shoot outside Bombay, outside Mumbai for a particular series that he was offered. In fact, the advertisement shooting those are done with Salman Khan, needs to be done within the limits of Mumbai, is what the Mumbai police and the security that is given to the actor has suggested. Though the actor taking care of his security has upgraded his vehicles, those are bulletproof, and that is what is being kept in eye by the Mumbai police, Maharashtra police under the security given to the actor, that bulletproof vehicles are used before the actor leaves from his residence.
Owing to the security situation that has also been increased of the actor Salman Khan because of the multiple threats that he has been receiving, and of these gangs that have been operating from abroad, from outside the country. We also have Shweta with us right now. Shweta, thousands of pages that we are told that involves panchnamas and of course the statements that have also been recorded. Can you give us a brief or few highlights of this charge sheet that has now been filed?
Well, absolutely. In fact, what we understand in Salman Khan's filing outside his house case is that 1,735 pages of charge sheet that has been filed before the Makoka court in Special Session Court in Mumbai. Apart from this, 46 witnesses' statements have been recorded as a substantial evidence in the case. Now, what we also understand is that, now remember, it was not just Mumbai Police Crime Branch, but also Navi Mumbai Police, those who have helped in the lead of this particular story. Now, what we also see is that in the charge sheet, Lawrence Bishnoi, his brother Anmol Bishnoi, and his gang members have been made as an accused in more than 1,000 pages of charge sheet. Now, remember the in fact, the firing which took place was in month of April. Since then, we have seen the security being beefed up, and now the charge sheet that has been filed before the Makoka court in Mumbai.
All right, Shweta and Shivani, both of you, thank you very much for joining in. This is a big development that is now coming across as a charge sheet that has now been filed by the Mumbai Police's crime branch. Let's also talk